I got this truck back down on the ground. Just capturing progress on this and the Lego build. Same video like normal. Let's see. Still gotta pull this out and test drive everything. All new tie rods. Put the truck bed liner undercoating best I could. It's not really up under the underside of everything. It's close. I'll get this thing on a lift one day, maybe. I'm gonna start doing some body work next. There's something else under the hood I need to do too. A few things. Not much. Working on a little semi-truck seat for a friend, favor. Put him off way at the beginning of the year. God bless him. Waited 8 months for me. What else do I have? Some G-body panels. This is from a job I did last year. We were calling it pumpkin spice. It had like here's the materials from it. Might just have to call this update video. Yeah. I don't know if y'all remember some seats that had that. The Orchard, Prodigy, and some dark, not charcoal, but dark brown. It's rolled up in there somewhere. Yeah, and some seats and stuff with those 3 colors, and we'll finish. See, I wasn't prepared for this video. Just grabbed the phone and hit record like always. Anyways, did his seats and door panels last year. And do the rest of the interior pieces here and there for him. Some trim pieces. I'll wrap them next. That's about all I'm working on. It's cold, frozen outside, snowing. Well, it ain't snowing today. It was snowing. Still cold. Oh, so I was sacrificing my gaming time late at night. Still been building on this. Every couple nights I come over here and build a few hours. Really just filling in all the edges. Doing some detail work. Still got that to connect over there. I mentioned that on the last video. But I did somewhat connect all this. Made a bridge from there to the Viking village. A little greenway there. Up onto the rebuilt dock. Changed all that. I don't know about this piece. Just stuck it there for now. I think that little wall is going to stay for the water. So I got to build this different. It's weird because it's an angle. And I did have I don't know if I showed it on the last video, the lava was connecting to the water and had fire and stuff. Didn't really make sense, but it looked kind of neat. I cleaned it up, took it all apart. I need all those pieces down here. I'll fill in the rest of that lava. And I ordered some translucent slope pieces in translucent orange instead of that solid orange. I'll be changing those. Should look a little more like lava. And a lot of work, edge work up here. Like railings, a walkway, a little bridge over that. I was working on this last night. Those are part of the stairs that used to go up to that. That's not going there, it's loose. So this whole corner back here, I'm going to do at the very end. I may rework all that castle. I won't put my hand in front again. Alright, Need some more orange bricks on this side. Figure out what I'm doing for that corner. And I did connect all this together through here. Up into here. So that wall is covering the wood shelf now. You can see a little bit of it back there. If you look from the last video, you'll see it plainly. It actually come out quite nice. I got this crooked. Hold on. I just set that there last night. I had it arranged a little better at first. Trying to figure out a layout for that corner. I got to do some more groundwork here. It's all plain. The first thing I started was a low rock path. And I'll do some texture and tile work. Some kind of corner build there. Still got a blue roof I got to put on the back side of that building. Yeah, I'm still having fun with it. I'll keep going for now. It's been the most interesting corner now so far. Got all the treasure stuff back in there. Maybe I have to put a light up in there, I don't know. Finish some of this work here on the edge. It's also covering the shelf. I don't even know if I'm going to use that shelf back there. We're about 7 minutes, I'll call it right there. Nobody liked this when I first started building it. I don't know. It's coming together to me. Shoot me a like. Let me know what you think now. If it's still silly or if it's looking like a painted picture. This is the angle. I've mostly built it from right here. So that's the picture. Just got to build that castle up really high in the very back corner. I'll have to make that the most impressive part at the end. Finish all this edge work. Fill in the blanks. Peace and God bless. Do what you enjoy. I've been doing that for years. I'm going to continue. Good Lord lets me.